You want to know the real secret to trading? It's not some crazy complicated formula. It all boils down to one core concept: support and resistance. Trust me, if you get this, you have a massive edge. So let's break it down.
Yeah, let that number sink in for a second. 90%. This isn't just some trading jargon, you know? It's literally the foundation that separates the winners from everyone else. Mastering this could be a complete game changer for you.
So, what is this big secret? Well, it's actually way simpler than you think. I just want you to imagine that the market is basically a room. It's got a floor and it's got a ceiling.
Okay, let's start with support. That's our floor. Think of it as a price level where a ton of buyers are hanging out, just ready to step in and keep the price from dropping any lower. It's like when you drop a ball, it hits the floor and boing, it bounces right back up. That's support.
So in a real trading chart, you'll see the price falling, and then, bam, it hits that support level and shoots right back up. For many traders, that's a huge green light, a potential signal to buy.
Now, what about the opposite? That's resistance. And yeah, you guessed it, that's our ceiling. It's a price level where sellers take over and say, nope, not going any higher, and they push the price back down. You throw a ball up, it hits the ceiling, and it falls. That's your resistance.
In this situation, the price is climbing higher and higher until it smacks right into that resistance ceiling. It gets rejected and starts to fall. Now, this is where traders might start looking for a chance to sell.
But here's where it gets really interesting. These levels, this floor and ceiling, they aren't set in stone. A floor can become a ceiling, and a ceiling can absolutely become a new floor. Let's look at how that works.
We call this the role reversal rule. When the price gets enough momentum to just smash right through that old ceiling, that old resistance, that same level often turns into the new floor. It's a really key shift in the market that you have to watch out for.
Okay, I have to stop here for a second, because this is crucial. No level is ever 100% guaranteed to hold. Ever. That's why you must, and I mean must, always trade with a stop loss. It's your safety net if the market turns against you. It is completely non-negotiable.
So, after all this, what's the big takeaway? What's the one rule you need to remember to really nail this? Well, it all comes down to one simple mantra.
Don't let fear or greed boss you around. The market tells you a story through these levels. Your job is to learn how to read them and to trade smart. Forget the emotional roller coaster. Follow the levels.